What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for another video tuning into. Uh, so I had a dilemma with this car a couple days ago. I went out to start it, and it would not start. It would just crank and crank and crank. I thought initially the fuel pump went out. I could hear the fuel pump working fine. Next step I thought was maybe the fuel filter got clogged. So I went and bought a new fuel filter, swapped that in. That wasn't the issue. Still wouldn't start. It would just keep cranking and cranking. So then I was like, well, it's not any type of fuel delivery issue. So my next step after that was the crankshaft position sensor. Went to O'Reilly's and got the lifetime warranty. You guys have these Lincolns and you want to replace your crankshaft position sensor, there's a part number PC319, and from the looks of this seems to be original from the factory. And yeah, everything works great. It fires right up and it's fine. Everything works great. To take off the crankshaft position sensor, you got to go underneath the car. There's 3 bolts that are holding it to the air compressor. First thing you want to do, you want to take your serpentine belt off, and then you want to jack the car up, take off those 3 bolts that are holding that air compressor. Once you remove those 3, that air compressor will just move to the side. Then you could take an 8mm, take off that position sensor, swap in the new one, and then just reverse it. Yeah. Hopefully that one doesn't leave me stranded one day, but if it sure does, then I know what it could be. But just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing on my Memorial Day, and I hope everyone has a great Memorial Day. And if any veterans out there that are watching this, thank you for your service, and you guys have a great day.